How to fix Wi-Fi not connecting issue on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to fix if your Wi-Fi is not working on Windows 11. You can start off by going over to the settings menu, and from settings you want to go to system at the left side. Scroll down until you find troubleshoot and then tap on it. From your troubleshooter, go to other troubleshooters and tap on it. And then here you can find network and internet. Click on run right besides it, and it's going to automatically detect any problem if there is any and ask you to fix itself. So as you can see, I'm connected and I don't have any issues right now, but if you have any issues, it will show you right here. Now close this out. Next step you have to do is go over to control panel. Once your control panel opens up, you want to go over to network and sharing center. And then from there, go over to your Wi-Fi connection. So go to change adapter settings, right click on whatever you're connected to and tap on disable. Now your Wi-Fi will be disabled right here. All you have to do is again right click on here and tap on enable. After doing this, it will briefly restart your Wi-Fi networks and your drivers as well, so it should start working now again. If this doesn't work, then the final step you can do is to update your drivers. Search for Device Manager and open it up. Now in this case, you need to find your wireless adapters or network adapters. Click on the drop down here. From here, you can find your wireless network adapter. Right click on it, click on Update Driver, search automatically. If it says the best driver is already installed, you're good to go. Now all you have to do is restart your PC and the Wi-Fi should start working again. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.